Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I wanted to take the time today to make some Ann Clark lemon bars. I know they're going to be delicious. If you're a first-time baker, this is wonderful because it only requires three other ingredients, water, eggs, and okay, so I'm using the mixture that my grandmother left me. She was back in the 70s, and it was the one thing that I wanted when she passed away. And this thing weighs a ton, so I'm going to use it. This is the only attachment that I have left to it. So we're going to make the crust first, and it's the little package. It has the word crust on it. These directions are so simple. So you put that in your bowl. Along with your butter. And when you're mixing batters, be very careful that you don't turn the mixer on high, because sometimes you can just over beat a batter and it makes it tough. So we're going to put the butter and the crust in the mixer and beat it together. And we're going to start out slowly. Because it does go everywhere. So we'll let that incorporate. And normally you use a paddle on these, and you can use a hand mixer. It's perfectly okay. Okay, we have our dough formed, and I've lined the pan with parchment paper. And we're going to press that out into the parchment paper. It makes it so much easier when you're trying to lift it out of the bowl, and it doesn't stick, and just makes for a prettier cut as well. So we'll move that over, and we're going to continue pressing out until it's even. Okay, it's all pressed out now. We're going to put it in a preheated 350 oven for, let's see, 25 minutes or so, until the crust is a little brown. And after that, we will make our lemon mixture to go on top. So we'll put it in the oven and come back. Okay, while we're waiting for our crust, we're going to whisk 3 eggs, half a cup of water, and we're just going to whisk those up really well. And then we're going to add our lemon filling on top of that. And when the crust comes out of the oven, we'll add this to the crust, or on top of the crust. So we're going to put our lemon filling in and add it here. Okay. This has been one of the easiest box recipes. And Ann Clark desserts are really, really good. They have just good quality ingredients in them. And I'm just happy to be able to make this particular one. I tried the butterscotch, and it was absolutely delicious. So we're going to put that on top of the crust when it comes out of the oven, and then put it back in the oven for 25 minutes. Our crust is out of the oven, and all we have to do is add the topping to it, the lemon topping that we just mixed up. And then we'll pour it on the top. Make sure it's covered. And then it'll go back in the oven. Oh, it smells so good in here. It'll go back in the oven for 25 minutes until done, and then it'll cool and we'll cut. Have been in the refrigerator overnight. We have cut them and they're ready to serve. You can add a dusting of powdered sugar, a dollop of whipped cream. I know that your family and friends will totally enjoy them. They are absolutely delicious. I hope that you'll give them a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.